Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azrul Haziq. Now I'm going to be presenting about my mini project. For my project, I use the kinematic of angular motion, which is how to find the velocity, acceleration, and displacement. For the definition part, as you can see, the angular velocity, which is omega, the theta, which is the displacement, the omega naught, which is initial velocity, and the acceleration is alpha, and the time is t. Next, I'm going to show you the palette that I use, which is I use tab paint, label, and icon. I also use a text field, some buttons, and the text area. For the graph, I use the panel, and I label it as a plot panel. Hello guys, now I'm going to show you how I do the mini project. For this for this part, all I do is add label, then go to properties, go for icon, and then add the image that I want. After that, go to the data and output, and then this is important to put the text area, and then label it as a text output. After that, you need to add the text field and make sure to change the variable name to what you need. And then last one for the button, make sure to go to the event, action perform. Then this is the coding for the calculation button, as you can see. After that, we go to the graph. This is very important to add panel, and then go to the variable name, change variable name, go to the plot panel. This will make sure the graph will appear on this plot panel. After that, I also put another output here, but I changed the variable name to text output 1 because I don't want to get confused from this text output. Hello guys, now I'm going to show the demo and run the coding for you. We go to the data and output. As you can see, I note here uh, theta is in unit radian, time is in unit second, and omega naught is in radian per second. Okay, we go to the angular velocity first. For example, I put the theta, which is in radian 2, and the time is in 10 seconds. We calculate, and then we got 0.2. I'm going to use the angular velocity from here to calculate the angular acceleration. 0.2. After that, I'm going to use the same time, which is 10 seconds, and then calculate. After that, I got the angular acceleration, and I'm going to put the angular acceleration here, 0.02 second, and then I'm going to use the omega initial, which is 0, and then the time also 10 seconds. As you can see, we got the angular displacement, which is 1. For the graph, I'm going to show you how to plot, which is so easy. All you do is put the theta, which is displacement. For example, I put 5, and then the time is 20 seconds, and then I press the button plot. As you can see, there is a dot here, which is the plot point, and then from this point we know that on the graph theta versus time, the gradient for this thing is the acceleration, and then we can calculate the acceleration. We can also get area under the graph from this plot, and then we got the angular velocity, which is 50. That's all for me. Thank you for watching, guys.